Chili chicken. It's a dish that inspires a lot of emotions. It's one of the most ordered dishes here in India, but most of the time that you have ordered a chili chicken from outside, it comes with a thick coating of corn flour, deep fried, and way too much of spices. Today I am going to make a recipe that I call the healthy Kolkata chili chicken. I am not going to deep fry it. I am not going to put the corn flour coating in it, and I am going to reduce the spices significantly, but the end result is going to be just as tasty. Starting with the ingredients, I have got 2 chicken breasts, boneless, skin out, 6 large chilies, green chilies, 1 garlic, an inch of ginger, 1 large red onion, peppers, 1 green, 1 red and 1 yellow. These are some black peppers. I have crushed and kept them. Some mushrooms, a bunch of green onion, sesame oil, white vinegar, dark soy, Chinese cooking wine and fish sauce. These 2 ingredients are optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to use them. I'm just going to score the chicken first. So I'm just going to take them breadthwise and just score them deeply across. Next I'm going to marinate this chicken. A little bit of salt, some white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some red chili powder, and just a touch of sugar. Mix everything well. Okay, finally all the vegetables are chopped, so you need to cut the onions into around ½ an inch cubes. Similarly for the peppers, just dice them into small squares. These you need to vertically slit them. The spring onions are chopped. The mushrooms are also roughly chopped, and I have kept the bulbs of the spring onions separately. To the stove now, I have kept a non-stick pan in heating. Add some sesame oil. Add the onions in. Add the peppers and the chilies. Don't put the spring onion at this point of time. So once the vegetables are there for around 2 minutes, add the ginger and the garlic. Just add a dash of soy sauce. So the vegetables have been there for around 5 minutes or so. Remember not to cook them too much. We want the crunch of the vegetables to be still intact. We don't want them to be very soft and soggy. So I think these are done now. I'm going to take it off the flame. So in the same pan, just add a little more oil. Add a bit of star anise. So this is a very important spice. I forgot to mention it before, but please do add. So in this oil, I'm going to put the mushrooms in, and a little bit of black pepper. Again, don't cook the mushroom for a long time, just a minute and a half, and just then transfer it into the bowl. Okay, I've taken out the mushrooms now. I'm just going to add the chicken. The scored side goes downwards, and add in the bulbs of the spring onion that you had kept separately out earlier. It's been around 2 minutes that the chicken has been sitting on the stove. I'm just going to flip it now. It is becoming very nice and charred. So both the sides are done now. I'm just going to slowly add the rest of the marinade into the chicken. See, it looks so nice and inviting already. Right, the chicken is done now. So I'm just going to take it off the heat and keep it for some time to rest. The chicken has been resting for around 5 minutes. So now time to cut it. The cook looks just perfect on the chicken. It's done completely, but it's still very juicy. See how nice and juicy it is still. Okay, back to the stove now. Just put it in low flame. Add in the veggies and mix the chicken in. And then just toss them and mix them in. Add a dash of the Chinese cooking wine and the fish sauce and a bit of soy sauce to balance it out. And the final dish is ready, the healthy Kolkatan chili chicken. Enjoy. And if you like what you see, please subscribe by hitting the channel icon on the right.